Hey, good morning world, it's your boy Loser Games here, and today we're going to be playing Super Mario Flash, as you can see on the screen. Also, can we get a round of applause for this as our first video? What's better than a crafty game to start a nice crafty channel? Without any blah. Okay. It's really hard. I would love to go Mario. I love Mario. I love Mario very much. But I prefer Luigi. Oh, this is like going to be great Legend of Zelda music. Good way to get out of the screen, just getting out of the screen, and it's gone. Oh, that's the gumshoes though. I thought I killed it. But logic. Kill. Let's do that. Let's go. Oh, holy Jesus! You die. You get out of here. No, it's not really interesting. That's interesting. Sure. Let's go. You get out of here. Let's get outside of here, then you guys get out of here. I don't care about you. Parkour. Okay. Get rid of parkour. Boom, parkour. Boom, parkour. Boom, parkour. Boom, jump. Jump. See, I'm just the best noob out there. For all you tryhards out there, don't feel bad. I'm not one of you. Oh, I'm not one of you. But there are people like you. Don't worry. See how tryhard I am? See? I basically went through that level not getting any coins. Like there's like 50 coins there. That's so tryhard. Can't really define it myself. Spam. I'll get that other way I have it. I don't feel comfortable with this here, so wait. Doesn't it look beautiful though? Whoa, it looks so mystifying. I created a new word. Whoa. Boom, parkour. Noobs. You're all noobs in life. Babies are like the noobs of life. Just like, they're born and they don't have any experience. No, like I should take that. Cause I'm greedy. What a great concept. Break things, okay, kids? Even though I'm a child too. I'm not 7, even though I voice on 7 on recording. I'm a 12-year-old boy who likes playing Super Mario Flash. Oh! Okay. I don't feel comfortable. I'd still jump. Okay. I thought there was something in there. Oh! Beef! Yes, level 3. Is that it? That's it? Just money? I don't want your money. I don't want your filthy money. Yes, let's go! Let's go! Watch, when I die, which I only have 5, you know. I don't feel comfortable. Mommy, there's a big leafy thingy. Nani? Die, jump. I don't want to jump. I'll jump. Boom. Oh. Kids, jump. Jump the unexpected. Do them. Be a maverick in your own way. Be your own maverick. Let's go. Oh. No, I didn't die. For my lives. But damn, that's so sad. I looked for my die so far. If I die enough, I'll make a little parody. I don't want to make a parody. Or just like a little, you know, end card of me just dying. Like a little montage. That's one way. No one likes you, money. Like, I want you. Like, that can happen. What did I do? Ah! It just intersects. Ah! No one likes a try-hard like me. Oh, you should be a noob like you. I'd be a noob like you. Oh, I've been trying very hard to be a pro like me. Boom. See? Oh, okay, come. Okay. Oh my god! That's better. That's better. No, 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 no! Ah! See, tryhard's rage. I swear. I swear if I don't at least make it to level 5 by the end of this video, I'm gonna cry. Well. Haha. No, dang, that's a waste of money. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Oh, look, there's like a big, like, flying Pokemon. That's a nice Pokemon. I like you, Pokemon. Look, and here's a grass type, a grass and poison type. He's called Loco. Yeah, he's Loco. Let's go. Let's go, son. No. No! Oh no, I lost all my lives at the restart. No. Wait up. I'll come back when I do it. Wait up. Okay, so 5 tries later. I know it up. Okay. So I have to restart, basically. Kill. I've done it so many times before. And my other laptop. My smaller one. My school issued one. Yeah. I did this so many times before, but then I just don't know. I feel better recording on this laptop. I feel better doing it recording. Because it just gives it, like, feeling. And just, like, I'm kind of distracted, but I'm using muscle memory to, you know, just flip and do it. First try. On the 5th time. Did a level 2. We're gonna do level 2. Holy frick. Kill. Oh, sorry. It was a battle royale. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I'm gonna get you, little kid. Die. Little boy. Bye. No. Frick. Little boy. Da 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 da. Don't you just hate it when that happens? You're like, like you probably never played this game on this computer, but like, it sucks. Like, trust me, it sucks. Oh, look these. You can't touch me, boy. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. Look. Da 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 da. Let's go. Oh my god! How? I jumped! How? I don't understand the logic. Oh, I love... I should have felt that coming. I honestly should have saw that coming. I feel like we should have a montage of me dying. I feel like there's enough... Oh, fine. I feel like there's enough that's so far in the video to make like a little montage. You can't touch me. You can't touch this. Throw. Better. I felt so satisfied. That was so satisfying. Yeek. Boy. Yeah. When I die, when I die, life will change forever, and then this video will end. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Not serious. Oh.